So, you say you want to learn how to do magic for kids' parties. You've come to the right place, all right? Okay, we're going to start a whole new part of this channel, okay? Because one of the things I do is kids' magic, all right? Kids' magic, teens' magic, adults' magic. But I started with kids' magic. And, I don't do anything groundbreaking or anything new, but I do teach people how to do this. I've taught a lot of people how to do this. So this set right here are my signature routines that I do in my kids' shows. A lot of the equipment you'll be able to buy on Amazon or at a magic shop, and I will put links in the video here. But if you don't know anything about magic, if you haven't done any kids' magic at all, don't start with this equipment. Okay, I'm going to do a series of training videos on a particular kit of magic that is marketed to kids. This is it. It's called Marvin's Treasured Magic Tricks. It is a wooden box, and it comes with a whole bunch of wooden tricks inside of it. Okay, these are tricks, and it's made for kids. Okay, but the thing of it is, because they're wooden, they work great, right? And I use this to teach my brand new magicians. So for the price of this one box on Amazon, I think it's $30, something like that. You get about 10 tricks. They're colorful, they're wooden. So what I'm going to suggest is that you buy these and you follow my tutorial videos on all of these. Okay? Because the idea is that I'm not just trying to teach you how to make the equipment work, I'm trying to teach you the philosophy behind magic and how to entertain children. Okay, and this is for $30 investment. You can all of a sudden have really beautiful equipment that's going to last a long time and look beautiful, and you can use them in the show. These are pictures of me actually doing it at a preschool, half-hour show with this kit and nothing else, because I wanted to prove to myself that I could do it, and it worked great. I mean, the only reason I really wouldn't use these is because I do bigger shows. You know, I want to play to 300 or 400 or 500 people, but a birthday party size crowd, no problem. Anyway, have fun with this, and then once you get this down under your belt, then work on my signature bits, because they're great, strong bits, all right? Have a great day, practice, spread joy. Don't forget to subscribe and watch for more videos. Don't forget to check out my coaching videos, because if you are wanting to start a business, or if you're wanting to make more money at the business you're running, that's what I do. I help people to refine what they're doing and make more money. So check out my coaching videos and all of that stuff. Have a great day.